An animal's eyes can be the window to a life of brutal suffering. Suffering we think it's wrong to even show you. Intentional, preventable abuse. Abandoned dogs shot on the street and left to die. Mighty bears reduced to a tourist sideshow, beaten and broken. Chimps orphaned, their parents butchered for bushmeat. WSPA, the World Society for the Protection of Animals, works to stop such barbaric cruelty. But we can't stop the suffering unless people like you join us. So don't just look away. Please give $20 a month. Call now and help free animals from pain.